Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to create subscriber animation for YouTube videos. We will learn to create two different types of subscriber animations in this video. I'll be using Filmora video editing tool. You can use any other video editing tool, and I believe that the process will be same for all the tools. Now, what if you do not have any video editing tool and you do not want to spend time in creating this kind of video? I have solution for these people also, and I'll show you the solution at the end of this video. Now, there is one small animated clip that we will need to create this video. I have given the link in the description box to download it from my website. Check the description box and download the animated clip from my website. Okay, so we will be using Filmora video editing tool to create this subscriber animation for YouTube videos. Now, I have the Filmora. If you have any other video editing tool, you can use the same tool. So let's start with creating the first animation video. Now we will need two components. The first will be the logo of your YouTube channel. So I have got my logo here. And the second one will be this small animated clip. Now you can download this animated clip from my website. I'll give you the link in the description box. So go to the description box, click on the link. It will go to my website. From there you can download this small animated clip. Okay, so let's start with it. Now first we will need a green screen. So under media, go to sample colors and get this green color background. Drop it here. Let's increase the size to 10 seconds. Alright, the second thing will be the white background, because I'm going to use the white colored background for this animated video. So we have got this one here, so stretch it here. Okay, now resize it, make it small, and on this white color we will be having our subscribe animated video and the logo and the text. So this is the white background. If you want any other background, you can choose from these backgrounds, or if you want, you can create a new background and then put it here. So this will be the background of our animation. This is the green screen and this is the white screen. Okay, now go to the project folder, get this small clip here. All right, so we have got it here. Now let's animate this white background. Double click on it, go to animation. We will use this one. Okay, now let's reduce the width of animation. Okay, let's move it here so that we can see. Okay, now let's add some shadow. Image, drop shadow, check this box. Okay, so it will give you some shadow around the white background. Okay, so let's check it again. Good. Now just use this here, move it here. Now right click on it. We need to crop and zoom this one, so go to crop and zoom. Okay, now select custom. We are going to use only this green part of this video. We will not be using the black part, so crop it. Okay, click OK. Now resize it and put it in this white background. Let's put it here. Resize it. Okay, now right click on it and click on green screen. So it will remove the green background of this particular clip. Okay, let's see how does this look now. All right, now get your logo and put it above this video. So this will be the new pane for the logo. Resize the logo. Let me stretch it here. Now resize the logo and put it inside this white background. All right, now let's animate this one also. Double click, go to animation, and we will use this one. Okay, now let's see. Right, so we got this one also. Now let's go ahead and click on titles. Now there are many titles, you can use any one of them. Put it above this logo, stretch it. Okay, now resize it. This will be the name of your YouTube channel. Double click on it, change the color to whatever you want. You can change the color. Let me type in the name of my YouTube channel. Right, center, align, adjust the size, and let's animate this one also. We'll use. All right, good. Now let's see. Good. Now take one more title, put it above this previous title and stretch it. Okay, now resize it and put it inside this white bar. Change, double click on it and change the background color. Oh, sorry, the color of the title. Let's use this one. Okay, now type in the message here. Resize it. Now animate. Just double click, animate. We will use there are many animations, you can choose any one of them. All right, so we will use this one. Now let's see. Right, so now we need to finish this here. Okay, so just move the cursor here, the pointer here, and cut all the extra margins. Just cut everything from here. So we will be using only this part of this clip. Okay, now just reduce the size of the text and the logo. Okay, now we need to add some transition here at the end of this title. So I'm going to use dissolve, so it will look nice when it fades away at the end. All right, now let's replay. Alright, so this is how we can create the subscriber animation for YouTube video, and I'll show you how to put this on actual video. Before that, we will go ahead and create the second one. Alright, now the first video animation is ready. Now let's go ahead and export this video. Let's name it. This is the first one, so just export the video. So this video will be ready to use. Alright, so this one is ready. Now let's close everything, delete everything from here. Alright, so now we are going to create the second animation. The steps will be same. First, get the green screen, stretch it up to 10 seconds. Now get the white screen. Let's use the other color here. Instead of white, we will use this one. Okay, now resize it. Alright, now double click on it, image, drop shadow, so there will be some shadow here. Now animated this one, we will use the other animation here. Let's use this one. Okay, good. Now get this small animated clip, put it here. Okay, now right click on it, go to crop and zoom, use custom and crop this video. We will be using only the green part of this video. Click OK. Alright, now resize it. Let's see how does this look here. Okay, now resize it and put it in this background. Alright, right click on it and click on green screen. Done. Now go ahead and get the logo of your channel, stretch it. Now resize it and put it at the top here. Resize. Alright, now animate it. Alright, we will use this one. Now let's see how does this look. Alright, let's reduce this size. Alright, now get the title, put it above the logo and stretch it. Now resize the title and put it below the logo. Change the text, put in your channel name here, center align it. If you want to change the text color, you can go ahead and change the preset. Not this one. This one looks good. Alright, now animate this one. Let's use the same one. Alright, now use one more title, put it above and stretch it. Now resize the title, change the text, resize it so that it will fit here. Alright, now animate it. Alright, this one looks good. Whatever animation you want, you can use that animation. Okay, now let's see. Good. Now we need to cut it here. Now reduce the size of the title and logo. Alright, now get the animation, the transition. I'm using dissolve. If you want any other, you can use other time transition also. Put it at the end of these titles and the logo. Alright, now let's see again. Now the second video is also ready, so let's export it. Name the video and export the video on your computer. Alright, so the video is ready now. So we have got two videos. Now I'll show you how to use these animated subscriber videos on your actual YouTube videos. Now I have this video where I'm going to use these animated subscriber videos. So let's put this here. Now you can consider that this is your YouTube video on which you're going to use this subscribe animation. So this is the video and this is the first animation. Okay, now let's move it here. Okay, this is the animation. Now you can right click on it and use a green screen. Okay, so this will automatically create the animation here. Now you can see that the problem is that my logo is in green color, so when I use green screen, it automatically uses the green part of my logo also, and that doesn't look good on actual video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just uncheck this green screen. You can try with the green screen. If that works, good. Otherwise there is another way. Right click on it, go to crop and zoom. Okay, now go to custom and crop this. So we are going to crop this video and we will use only the white part of this video. So click OK. Okay, now it will show the video here. So just resize it and put it on your video. Alright, now let's see how does this look. So So this is how you can use this subscriber animation on your actual video. If you want to reduce the size, you can reduce. You can see that at the end it shows green screen. So if you want, you can cut it here. All right, now let's see how does the second one works. Just put it on your video, on your YouTube video, with the cursor on it. Now right click on it and use green screen, so it will put the animation automatically on your YouTube video. If that doesn't work, then uncheck the green screen, right click on it, go to crop and zoom, use custom, crop the video. So we are not going to use the green part of the video. Click OK. Alright, now put it on your YouTube video. Wherever you want, you can put it. Alright, I'll put it here. Now let's see. Now you see that at the start of the video you will see a green screen here. Okay, now what you can do, you can cut this one before the logo appears. Now you can cut this video here. Now right click on this part of the video and use green screen for that particular part. Okay, so that will remove the green effect. So you need to be careful where to paint this. Cut this one also. You see the green screen here also, and use green screen effect. Now let's see. Alright, at the end there is a green screen. We can cut that one also. Cut that part. And right click and use green screen. So this is how you can use the subscriber animation on your YouTube videos. For those who do not have time and tools to create this subscriber animation, go to my website and you will find option to buy this custom subscribe animation for your YouTube videos at a very low cost. We will create this video for your YouTube channel, and you will see different types of animations to choose from, and we will be adding more types of animations on our website also. So subscribe to my channel for more information about video editing tips, SEO tips, digital marketing tips, and website design tips and free courses. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.